Welcome back to the channel, and also welcome to all the new subscribers that have coming on to the channel, and I hope you really are enjoying the content. For all the OG subscribers, look where I am. I'm back in the original shed where Niall Goes Thrifting all started. I am back here for one reason. This is where the Niall Goes Thrifting headquarters all started out, in this little shed here, and now this is where Abby's car is, and my dad's doing up a tractor as well. So they weren't long about taking over when I moved out, but yeah, I just actually noticed the old M3 on the wall. But yeah, enough of that. The reason I'm here is my brother, DGproblast, has set up this business a couple of months ago, and it's music to my ears having them, because I'm after buying a set of wheels. I took a chance on them and it didn't really work out, but let's just say I bought 4 wheels. I have only 3, but I'll show you a little bit of that in a second. But yeah, so DGproblast is kind of next door to Niall Goes Thrifting headquarters, and I hear the machine running out there, so hopefully I'll show you the wheels, and hopefully we can show you the process of what David goes through blasting the wheels. So yeah, he's basically going to blast the wheels for me, hopefully put primer on them, and we're unsure on the colour of the wheels yet, but yeah, we'll get them blasted and get them primed. As I said, I've only 3 wheels. I need to find another one. But yeah, just try to get a couple of steps ahead, because the car is in Dooley fabrication now, and I'm trying to work in the background to get all the other stuff ticked off the box while Dooley fabrication is working away on the car. So here are the new wheels, the Rhoda GTRs. They are, as you can see, very rough for wear. 2 spokes are cracked, so that wheel is absolutely no good. We'll probably make a table out with that or do something, but we've got 3 good wheels. You can see the absolute state it is. So let's see what DGproblast is able to do with these. I'm just going to do the faces, that's the most important thing. But yeah, David has the machine running, so let's see the progress before and after of the wheels. Is the wheels blasted, and it's unbelievable. David uses the glass, the fine glass, and like you've seen a couple of clips of the wheels before they were blasted with the curb rash and stuff like that. The curb rash is all gone, and the wheels are smooth enough. A little bit of grip for a bit of primer, and Dave's going to prime these now. We're still awaiting a colour, we're still waiting for the graphics. So once we get the graphics, we'll kind of know what colour we're going to go with the wheels. That'll probably be all revealed at the first round of the Irish Drift Championship. But super quick process. I've done all the sanding and rubbing and all that sort of stuff, but this really is the way to go. If you have old wheels, do get in contact with DGproblast. I'll put a link in the description. That's the way to go. Wheels, suspension arms, cars, full chassis, you name it. That is the only way to go. Super quick turnaround. If we really wanted to, we could have these primed, dried and painted tonight. Just like that, 3 wheels done and primed, drying off nicely, and yeah, once the primer I put on, once that dries, then I'll see about a colour and what we'll do. But yeah, I'll leave them to dry. If you are looking for wheels to get blasted, you have seen the transformation and how quick from curved, rashed old wheels to blasted and primed, and once they get paint, they will be like a new set of wheels. So I've done a deal with my brother. If you are interested in getting your wheels blasted or any piece of your car blasted, if you message DGproblast on Instagram, I'll leave the link in the description. If you're interested, message David about the wheels and use the code NILE10. NILE10 will give you 10% off anything you want blasted. So basically, you want a set of wheels blasted, you'll get 10% off because you quoted NILE10. So it'll help you out and it'll help us all out. So yeah, in the description, DGproblast, shoot me a message on Instagram, use the code NILE10 and get your wheels blasted. Save that sanding, buying sandpaper, rubbing your fingers to the bone and primer and cancer paint. Just cut all that out. DGproblast, NILE10 in the DMs and get your wheels sorted. So, quick turnaround on a scrappy set of wheels that will look brand new once we've painted. As I said, we need to get a colour. We won't reveal the colour until we reveal the car at the first round of the Irish Drift Championship. But until then, do what you gotta do. Like, comment, subscribe, follow DGproblast, and yeah, we will see you on the next one.